Roll your shoulders up and back, keeping your palms facing forward for a mountain pose. You can also choose to bring your hands in prayer position. Inhale as you bring your arms up overhead, reaching through your fingertips and lengthening the sides of your waist. Exhale as you fold at the hips, keeping a slight bend at the knees. You can choose to nod your head yes or no at this point. Inhale as you come up for a halfway lift, bringing your hands below your knees, keeping your gaze to the top of the mat. Bring both hands down to the mat, keeping your fingers spread apart, extending your legs behind you for a high plank. You're going to get ready to engage the core, coming down for a four-limb staff pose. You're going to inhale as you come up for an up dog, pressing your hands firmly on the floor and pushing off the tops of your feet. Roll back for a down dog, using this opportunity to pedal out your legs. Keep a slight bend in the knees, especially for tight hamstrings. Your hands should be shoulder distance apart and feet should be hip distance apart. Use this opportunity to take several deep breaths and then find stillness. Bring your feet to the top of the mat and inhale as you come up for a half lift, keeping your hands below the knees and gaze to the top of the mat. Exhale for a forward fold, keeping a slight bend in the knees. Inhale as you bring your arms up overhead for an upward salute. Exhale as you bring your arms down for a mountain pose, either in prayer position or with your palms facing forward. Get ready for round 2 because we're going to do this again. Bring your arms up overhead for an upward salute. Exhale with a forward fold. Inhale for a half lift. Bring your hands to the mat, keeping your fingers spread apart, and extend your legs behind you for a high plank. Now you're going to engage the core, and instead of coming down for a four-limb staff pose, you can choose to come down with knees, chest, chin instead. Then come up for an up dog. Roll back for a down dog. Take several deep breaths here, finding stillness. Bring your feet to the top of the mat as you come up for a halfway lift with your hands below your knees and gaze to the top of the mat. Exhale for a forward fold, again keeping a slight bend in the knees. Inhale as you bring your arms up overhead for an upward salute. Exhale, bringing your arms down with or without prayer hands for a mountain pose. If you were in class, you'd be preparing for your next flow.